AfriKindness is about to provide platforms and resources for both parents and teachers as we observe Black History Month. To us, it is a time for reflection, education, and most importantly, fostering kindness among our children across the diverse identity that binds us together. It is crucial that we instill kindness and empathy in our children, ensuring a future where acts of kindness are at the forefront of our interactions and preserving our unique identity. Kindness is a universal language that transcends race, gender, and background. It has the power to bridge gaps, heal wounds, and create a society where everyone feels valued and respected. Our differences make us unique, and that diversity should be celebrated, not feared. By nurturing an environment that embraces multiculturalism, we create a space where kindness and acceptance thrive. Furthermore, we must actively promote acts of kindness within our homes, schools, and communities. Teach our children to be inclusive, welcoming, and respectful. Encourage them to stand up against discrimination or prejudice in any form. Through these small acts of kindness, we can create a ripple effect that positively impacts society as a whole. Join us as we celebrate Africa Awareness Week. Theme: Identity. This is an opportunity for parents, teachers, and organizations. To be part of this great idea, register now to get the following: Teachers Resource Information Pack. Join our webinar on identity crisis and cultural inclusiveness. Teachers Training Workshop, school cultural activities, competition for children, dress-up day for children, learning cultural food, hairstyles, and lots more. Organization are not left out. We have special activities lined up for organization to partake in, activities like webinar, 5-day challenge, and so on. Visit www.africaawarenessweek.co.uk or click on the attached link to register for free. Spread the hashtags #AfricaAwarenessWeek, #DiscoverMe, #DiscoverIdentity,